Welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to talk about how to create an artboard from a group. So what I want to do is first I'm going to close this little group right there. We're going to go to group 1. I'm going to right click and we're going to do artboard from group. Okay. Let's hit Control Z on that. And what I want you to do is delete the first 2 artboards that we made in the previous lecture. So let's go here and just hit delete, or let's just hide them. Okay, that doesn't want to work for me. That's fine. All right, so what we can do is we can go to group 1, right click, and then do the same thing I did before, which is artboard from group, and then we can bring it over here. And let me just see. Okay, so there's group. Oh, there we go. All right, now I'll bring that down. So now you can see what we did is we selected the group and then created an artboard, and now it's showing up down here. All right, so there you go. That's how you create a artboard from a group. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.